The greatest sin is a shirk. Samba sa maliban kay Diyos, maliban sa isang Diyos. Samba maliban kay Allah. That is the greatest sin. There is no greater sin than this. Samba sa mga Diyos-Diyusan or samba sa mga ribolto. That is the greatest sin in the sight of God. And the punishment for that was given to Bani Israel was to killing each other, to death penalty. The capital punishment. Bowing down to other God or worshiping other God or to believe that someone can give you benefit and loss, life and death, or honor or dishonor. You believe in this with someone, then it makes you committing shirk. You believe that only Allah can give us everything, the life and death, the profit and loss, honor and dishonor, only Allah can give. This only who has the power for all this to inflict upon us or to bless upon us. So always be rely upon Allah, always pray to Allah, always ask to Allah for whatever need, and always worship Allah. Yesterday I was saying that Bani Israel children were killed by Fir'aun, the Pharaoh, but he only killed their sons and left their daughters. But what Bani Israel is today doing in Palestine, they are killing sons and daughters of people of Palestine. Not just Muslims, even non-Muslim, on the Christians, they are killing, they are also attacking them. Everybody, they become like crazy who are just killing people, innocent people in Palestine. And the world is not stopping them. And that's too much unfair. And when it's happened like these things, then the punishment of God will come upon the people. So we should do something. At least we can boycott for the product of Israel, because those products are benefiting them to make more injustice. So we can at least to look around what are these products of the Zionists which is helping to Israel, so we can stop and boycott those products. And we can speak in the media against them. We can protest against this genocide, that this genocide should be stopped. May Allah help them. May Allah help us. Amin.